Father's Day. Hope all the fathers are having a good Father's Day today.
Hey guys.
And so I'm going to be showing you a sneak peek of the new ride, Harry Potter's Bike Ride Adventure.
Bruh.
It's really cool. I think it's really cool. It's like 4-hour wait, so I'm going to go and show you guys the sneak peek in a little bit. Bye, Rob Scott, for now. Yo, this actually might be not as long as I thought it was. 4 hours. Look how fast this is pacing.
Right.
Look how fast this is pacing.
Because you haven't gone up there yet. Look at that, Robin.
Mom, look how fast this is pacing. That's ridiculous. 4 hours, 10 hours.
You want to take them back to the hotel?
Sky. He's tiny. Ooh, somebody ate that pumpkin. Look at the cars on it. Oh, that's that big cat thing. Yeah, something happened.
Actually going fast pace. Finally, once in life.
Yep. That's the best news I've ever had.
Look at that. It says Hagrid.
It's 8. Does it start your timer too?
Look, it's spiders.
Don't you dare.
No. 4 hours. Yep. Yesterday was 13 hours.
We didn't want yesterday for
We didn't either.
yeah, like it didn't open. Today we came early and we rode it once and we're riding it again,
That's what I wanted to hear.
Oh, are you all right, Arthur?
Yes, thank you, Hagrid. Just investigating this muggle tool. Fascinating. Works on echo trickery.
Oh, you are. Oh, hello. I'm glad you found the place all right. I've got a very special Care of Magical Creatures class for you today. And Mr. Weasley, who many of you will remember, has kindly agreed to help with getting you around.
Wingardium Leviosa. Hagrid asked me to duplicate Sirius Black's motorbike to take you all to the edge of the forest.
Yes, and that's what I shall be showing some blast-ending screws. They'll kill each other. Whoa, that looked promising. And I've got some Cornish pixies for you to see. And if we're lucky enough to lure one in, a unicorn.
Ah. Well, I think it's time to give this idea a go. Stand back.
Jiminy! Oh, that's just marvelous, Arthur.
Not bad. I think we're ready.
Right. Arthur's been doing a bit of tinkering with the bike. Making some improvements, you might say. Let's give that purple button a try.
Careful, Hagrid. Your dragonfire is for emergencies only.
No.
Merlin, Beard,
Let's get them back to their cage. Come on.
my one.
Salamanders, they feed on flames, you know. They do. I wasn't planning to show them to you today, though.
Ow! Put me down! Don't stop that!
Oh, blimey, you've done it, Arthur. Dragonfire could not have been smoother. Well, apart from the, you know.
Yes, well, that's not quite how that's supposed to work. Everyone all right? Let's leave this to me. I'm going to tea.
Oh, fine. No. We'll be done with that.
I got one too time.
Oh, now don't you worry about this. I'll see you all down there.
Of course, none of this will happen when you actually ride the bikes. Need to stand in the stables. Might be safer to duplicate the bikes down there. More room. Then, you can ride them.
That's better.
This is what I'm getting on.
Yeah, whoa!
Check that out. Wow.
Nice. Right, Robbie? Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's at night too, guys. It's gonna look awesome.
Get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragonfire's got a kick.
Robbie!
Give thumbs up!
Yeah! That was awesome! Woo!
There's a unicorn. And
Look, Robbie,
she's
yeah!
Ruddy, lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But in Merlin's beard, we did see Pixie,
That was so fun!
and you.
Bye, Rob Squad. I think that's upstairs, Squad. If you're joining the squad, smash that like button. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, and subscribe and Isabel to get all notifications. And can we reach 15 likes? That'll be awesome.